Founded in 2006, Kerry Express Thailand is one of the largest parcel delivery providers in the country. A subsidiary of Hong Kong's Kerry Logistics, Kerry Express became the first delivery company to be listed on the Thai Stock Exchange in 2020. Despite listing during the pandemic, the company raised nearly $280 million. It plans to use some of the funds to help with its expansion plans. Alex, thank you so much for talking to me. In the past few years, the pandemic has seen a lot of disruption to economic activity and the flow of goods and services. To what extent has it altered your delivery patterns? And does this make it difficult for you to do any business planning?
Yes. Since last year, I think the pandemic has been affecting or impacting our daily operations a lot because the case reported are relatively random. And our operation sites, including our sorting centers, our delivery centers, as well as our service points and office, can get closed down overnight because there are one or two cases reported. So we need to spare extra resources next to our existing operations to make sure that if one site is down, we can have a second location covering the same area. So for network and platform-based business like Kerry Express, it is rather a big challenge for us. And we have been handling it well, and we expect the impact of it will gradually decline given the number of cases received.
The e-commerce boom has seen a lot of new players enter the market. Kerry Express itself is a leader in the premium delivery segment. Any plans to go after the very competitive economy segment where price cuts are common?
It's very common, and especially with some sort of company using a low price policy to try to come into the market in a big way. So it's, in a way, we call it the winner-take-all market. So the market will change, and there will be big consolidation and market changes.
Mm-hmm. Do you expect to be the winner that takes all? Are you prepared to engage in price cuts as well?
Kerry started to offer very attractive prices since the beginning of this year, entering strongly into the economy segment. Yes, we are very prepared in doing so because of our efficiency. Our cost is very low, so we can afford to offer premium service at very affordable prices. So eventually we will be very good.
Your core business is essentially express delivery, but recently you've diversified into a cold delivery platform called Kerry Cool. I understand it's a new development brought on by the pandemic. How so? And is it here to stay for you?
There is a very natural steps for a express delivery company to develop in such way, because normal parcel delivery has the biggest economies of scale. So this will always be the first step. And however, especially after our IPO, we are undergoing a diversification program. We do not want to depend on one single delivery vertical. So we look into other vertical, and given different countries, more developed countries as a reference, cold chain and cold delivery will always be a necessity that in developing countries that are relatively more backward,